Okay everyone, today is my first DVD unboxing for 2025, and that is Sleep, the 2024 DVD of Sleep. The smartest debut film I've seen in years. The movie stars Jung Yoo Mai and the late Lee Sung K-young. Something's awakens. There's the magnet logo in there. So anyways, here's the front, spine. Top is same as the front. Here's the title and magnet. The magnet logo. A frightening crowd of pleasure will keep you awake in undread. One of the best horror films of the year. The movie is not rated and it's 95 minutes. And the sticker says certified fresh on Rotten Tomatoes. And it's time to get this unboxing started. And now I'll put the Rotten Tomatoes sticker back in. Hopefully it's a black disc. Okay, got the plastic already. Let's see the disc. Oh wow! Disc artwork. Really nice. I'll insert this on my deep Blu-ray player to see if it works. I'll place the Rotten Certified Fresh thing back up. Let me turn on the Blu-ray player. Let me turn on the Blu-ray player. And test it if it works. Gotta place the camera down. Let's see if it works. There's an issue to the Blu-ray player. Well, there's an issue to the Blu-ray player. This is the disc over here for Sleep. If you're watching this, maybe I'll do the DVD opening on Sunday. And thanks for watching. Bye.